Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today is day 5 in Nubra. We will be heading out towards Pangong Lake today, and the climate is not so good. It has started drizzling over here. I don't know how the day is going to be. I'll just show you the room tour. So this is the tent that we are staying since 2 nights now almost. Let's go. So exactly as you enter inside the tent, in the front itself there is the main sitting area. Inside the tent there are overall 4 windows with the net system so that the insects cannot enter inside. There is one centralized light bulb along with the 2 charging points so that you can charge your mobile phones, your cameras and any other electronic devices. Surprisingly, even in a place like this, you will be finding a very cozy bathroom with a very good facilities inside the tent. This was our desi jugaad for not having any kind of heating mattresses or any kind of heater inside the tent. Hey guys, so now we are at Diskin Monastery. The Maitri Buddha statue over here. It's freezing cold because it is raining right now. This is one of the tallest statues of Buddha which could be spotted as soon as you enter into Nubra. You see a bird eye point of view of the entire region. Hey guys, so the rain has stopped a little bit now and we are heading off towards Pangong again. The road is not that much well developed. It is right now somewhere around 9:15 and somewhere around 1 or 2 o'clock max to max we should reach at Pangong. So let's go. Hey guys, so now it is properly snowing and we are about to reach towards Pangong now. It will take somewhere around half an hour to 1 hour to still cross the road. One of the best part about traveling in Ladakh is the unpredictable weather. As we started off from Nubra Valley, it was drizzling, then it started snowing, and when we were about to reach Pangong, the first sight of the Pangong Lake itself, the blue water, made me fall in love with Pangong all over again. Hey guys, so after traveling between the drizzling, after the snowfall, we are finally here at the Pangong Lake. It is one of the most beautiful lakes in the entire world. So the 20% of this lake is situated in India and 80% still lies with the Chinese border. This is the entire view as you can see. So I wish we had a chance to have a night accommodation over here because 3 years back when I had come here, we had an entire night time with a beautiful tent accommodation. Never mind, we'll be hanging out here for some time and we'll be right away heading out towards Leh again. It is too much cloudy and it is too much windy. Let's go. guys, so it is almost 45 minutes now post we started from the Pangong residency after our lunch, but still the roads are closed and we are not able to cross Jangla Pass. Hey guys, so unfortunately we were not able to get out of Pangong today. There was a very heavy snowfall in the Jangla Pass. There are, even right now, there are a lot of vehicles who are stuck in the traffic over there. So mostly by tomorrow morning itself, after somewhere around 7:30 or 8 o'clock, we'll be heading out of here. The place where we had our lunch today, there itself we are having a night stay. It is not even such a cozy place. The temperature is also falling very rapidly. It is only 1 degree right now, and outside I can't even imagine how much windy it is and how much the temperature could be. So let's just hope tomorrow the road gets cleared and we'll be able to get out of Pangong and directly travel towards our hotel at Leh. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So most of all, tomorrow we'll be able to even try to cover the TUTC camp, which is my dream to visit that camp at least once. So let's just hope the snow gets cleared as soon as possible and we get to travel to lay back again tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching it again, and as always, keep traveling.